Yeah, so I want to just take this time to thank Brian, our camera guy, injured, still holding it down with the camera. So he was rear-ended, if you guys already know. He was rear-ended, it was like a week ago already, about a week? About a week ago, and he tore a ligament in his hand from the impact, holding a wheel. So he's gonna get, hopefully, some kind of, you know, he'll get taken care of through the guy's insurance. And that sucks, but that's the way it is. He was sitting at a red light, got rear-ended. You never know what's gonna happen, so just wanted to thank him. And he was taking the car to track first for me, so he's helping me out. So sucks to happen, but hopefully we can get everything taken care of with the insurance. Just gonna see. You know, I already got this on video, but you see, guys, it's bitter pill to swallow. You know, bitter pill to swallow. Just have the car for like a week. So we'll get this all replaced, fixed, and Brian will get fixed as well. Yeah, all will be well. Sorry, we are in here. Let's go, buddy.
Hey, how you doing, man?
How are you, man? You need me to sign anything?
Yeah. Let me get your pin out the truck.
Okay.
Tell me what's going on.
This is, so we finally got our carbon fiber hood. We ordered this thing maybe about 2 weeks ago, something like that. So now we're ready to take the car to Tom Cully's to get the trunk swapped and go from there. This is all I was waiting for, to go get my Benz, which is ready at his shop, and take the R32 to drop it off. So another drop off. So having to say goodbye to our car for now, for the better.
Your last name is fine.
Appreciate it, buddy.
Anytime.
Let's get it inside, let's unbox it, and then we'll be on the road, hitting the road. So yeah, we got it, guys. We got it in, looks pretty good. Got it for a good price, got it. Fast shipping. Yeah, so they have to do some work to put it on, but it should be decent. All right, let's go to Tom Cully's, let's get it done. Just drop off. All right, we got it all loaded up. Let's kind of see. Boom, she fit in there great. Little trusty CLA. We use the car for like everything. It's not meant to be used for, but we use it anyway. It's always fun, you know. Gotta have fun throughout this process, man. This is why I love so much, just putting the cars together or having issues even. You find the fun in it. That's what it's about, man. Hopefully I won't be out the car too long. But it's already, you know, it's mid-October, it's already over in Ohio basically. It's been nice though. Beautiful day. I'm in a t-shirt, so without snow falling, I have my car's out to the very end. I'm gonna go get that car like rust-proof. Drive a car in the winter, you know, here and there, whenever the weather isn't terrible. So why not, you know? All right, we made it here to Car Star. Tom Cully's inside waiting. Let's get this ball rolling. Let's do it. I see his hair from here. The Dragon Ball Z hair. What's up, dog?
That's Super Saiyan, though.
Yeah, I heard.
You always want to be seen when you walk around. You don't want to fit in. Man, what's poppin', baby? It's good.
Ooh.
You going like
God
that?
damn.
Come on, man. I've been taking some time off in Florida, man. Damn, man, that's the legit key,
That's the key right from Japan.
Oh shit.
You know what I'm saying? So,
Crazy.
yeah. You
look
pull
at
it
this
in, it keep us out of bed.
What's up, man? What's poppin'?
Oh.
You can
Here, this is R32. This is 1990. And then what you have back there, it's a R33, which is the next body style up
Man,
from
this
this
is
one.
badass, man. When I was a kid, I was watching Fast and Furious and growing up. This was in Chinatown or whatever that place was that they went with the Johnny Boys on the crotch rockets, you know.
Yeah, for sure. So that's the deal. So you know, we had got little hit, you know.
All right, man. You know, I'm glad. I'm actually, because the picture you sent me, I was like, oh shit, I'm kind of
Yeah, it's like not really that terrible. We have the trunk lid in the trunk.
You're gonna need this because you know what I saw. You see how it's kinked up. I mean, this whole thing is. So you got a trunk lid in there?
Yeah, in there, the carbon fiber one.
Oh, okay. It fits this car.
Yeah.
Cool.
So yeah, it's dope, right?
Oh, do I finally get to drive one on this side?
Yeah.
Oh no shit. All right, man. You're finally gonna. Now I get to move this one around because it's got a motor in it. Because that was the only thing I missed. And the other one, the other GTR, man, I always wanted to drive. You know what I'm saying? What is that? Left hand stick. You know? I ain't gonna go. No, we ain't gonna put that on camera, man. I'm making out of it.
600 to the wheels is fun time. All right, cool. So we'll do all that rolling. Let's grab the trunk lid.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Your mind.
Yeah.
People's minds.
It feels like it has calmed down. Well, I know that thing only weighs like 1 pound. It's pretty
Pretty much. For a guy like you, it is.
Set it over here.
You know what I'm saying? Might as well bring the parts. A lot of time you waited on some of the cars, you waiting for the damn parts.
That's cool,
So I wanted to bring the parts.
What do we want to do? You want to just bolt it on? Or we want to paint it?
No, I want to leave it carbon, but I want to clear it.
Yeah, we'll sand it clear, make it look sexy.
Make it look deep,
yeah,
nice
yeah.
and wet.
Okay.
And then
But you want to just leave it all out there because it's a nice piece, man.
No, we can leave it off. Yeah, leave it just like this. Clear the coat and put it on the car. Man, it's been a minute. Back. We out. And there she is. Kind of like parting ways. You gotta part ways for the better, you know? Hopefully she'll get fixed and we'll make some improvements while we're at it, you know? Yeah, so this is my daily S-Class. I wasn't really vlogging at the time when I was getting into this car, but it's been a couple months, so I got it back, so I'm happy for that. And we're gonna go take the wrap off, and I'll do a little shoot with it before the winter, before I take the rims off and such. Cool, so we got it done. We'll be waiting now to see how it comes out once it's done with R32. See y'all later.